Miss Lady is being bipolar over a bracelet that's on her neck. Just a simple little bracelet like this on her neck. They're like super duper loose. See, Panda's got one on her neck and all she's doing is scratching it. But let's see. Let's get down here and investigate so nobody thinks that I'm beating the heck out of dogs. See how loose all that is? See the collar? Well, the bracelet. See it? And it's not tight. I mean, look at there. See, it just bothers her. But they've got to get trained to having something around their necks. Now, listen to this. Listen. The funny thing is that Lucy's being bipolar. She has no care for it. That's Lucy. You hear her? She's whining. That's the only reason why she's whining. Come here, Mama. Watch how easy this comes off of her head. Come here. Get out of my face. Come here, Lucy J. She's not going to let me take it off of her head. Okay, see you, bye.